Hi guys, welcome to the additional and optional project in SVM. As I have already mentioned, SVM is one of the most important algorithms. One additional project is provided to practice your skills in SVM. The dataset I have used in this optional project is on heart disease data from Cleveland. The solution notebook along with the CSV file is provided in the course material. You can explore this data, train your SVM model, and try to do the predictions. You can implement the grid search and see how the things changes with optimum values of the parameters. So the solution notebook is provided for your reference, and if you move down, you will see importing some libraries, reading the data file, displaying head, some data analysis, and then machine learning, and training the model, predictions and evaluation, and then grid search. And once again, the predictions and evaluation after grid search. And these are the improved results after the grid search. So remember, practice is important. You can try other datasets using SVM as well. Try another very famous iris dataset. This is part of Scikit-learn as well. I hope you have enjoyed the SVM section and learned the skills that you need in the future as a data scientist. Let's move on and learn another important algorithm, which is k-mean clustering, in the next section. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.